Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube description links aren't clickable, you're in the right place. This is a common issue. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into this. Here, I tried to add my Instagram profile link, but it's not clickable. Frustrating, right? Let's fix this. One of the most common mistakes is forgetting to add https:// to your links. Let me show you. You need to ensure that you include https:// before the rest of your URL. This tells YouTube it's a link and makes it clickable. Perfect. The link is active and working as expected. Now, let's update the description. Once you've verified the link works, and save your changes. Moment of truth, let's see if the link is now clickable. And there you have it. The link is now clickable. Simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.